Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make a chart in Excel with multiple data. So let's begin. First, step 1, select all data, go to Insert tab, recommended chart, all chart. You can use column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart. Example, use line chart, and now see this multiple data. And again, select data on month and sales, go to again insert tab, recommended chart, example use line chart. Okay, and now added data labels, table, error bars, etc. Then right click on your mouse, first click on the chart, then right click on your mouse, select data, add data and series name, use example profit and the series value, plus click OK. Again click OK. Again use another multiple data, right click, select data, add, apply the same process. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.